Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another cleaning video. Of course, I'm just starting in my kitchen as normal. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mackenzie. I do cleaning videos, lifestyle videos. Sometimes I do vlogs here and there, motherhood, cooking, whatever it is, lifestyle. I usually do it on my channel, but right now I'm just going ahead and picking up all the junk around the kitchen and getting my cleaning started for the night.
I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me?
If you haven't noticed already, yes, this is our catch-all. This is where we put our mail. Anything we walk in the door with that's in our hands, we just sit right here so it gets really cluttered up, and I usually get it clean about once a week. I know I should do better, but I do work full-time, so I only get a chance to clean the house about one time a week.
I could stay awake till the night is through with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only
And the flowers you see me moving right here are from my really good friends Maddie and Terry. I was having a bad day the other day and they sent me those and it just brightened up my day so much.
closer, I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head.
So right now I'm going ahead and starting on my laundry. This is some of the laundry that I was getting done. I know I'm slacking, but this is some of the laundry that I still had from the trip to Gatlinburg. And if you don't know, we went to Gatlinburg for the rod run, so we were around a lot of cars, a lot of exhaust, and all that kind of nasty stuff that us girls don't want to be around, or us girls don't want to smell like. But I've been using this Sports additive, and it helps so much get extra odors out. I guess I would use this for my girls' clothes when they have sports events, but mainly when the smell is just so overwhelming. The Sports additive just helps so much. It's non-toxic, it is safe around your kids and your pets, and it gets every single odor out. We usually like to use it for Alex's work clothes too, so definitely try it out. I'm partnering with them today and they're going to give my subscribers 20% off, so all you have to do is use the code Carla20. I'll leave the link down in the description box below, and I promise you will be impressed with how fresh your clothes smell after the fact of using this product.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure.
And y'all already know what I'm going in with. I'm using my Method Granite Cleaner, my all-time favorite. That's all I ever use. But I'm always open to suggestions, even though I always say that I will never change. I still like to hear what other people have success with.
Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave
so funny folding these blankets. So leave a comment down below and let me know if I look funny doing it, because it took me about 10 tries to get it straight and then I just gave up. So I just threw it over on the couch. I knew Alex was going to use it when he got home from work, so I was just like, oh well, that'll do.
Met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind.
Right now I am going in and just cleaning up my mess from a video I had filmed earlier in the day. I actually filmed a video about my job and the anxiety I've been going through, so I'll leave a link down to that in the description box below as well, so check that out. It's very important to me. Kind of like broke down my walls and kind of told you guys how I've been feeling lately, so definitely check that out after you get done watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching another cleaning video. I know most of my cleaning videos have been at night lately, but I have been so busy. But if you're new, please consider subscribing before you leave and give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this. And of course, don't forget to check down in the description box below Odor Cleanse's link for the sports additive. I've left you guys a special promo down below as well too. So check that out, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
To get smarter, not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind.